Alright guys, I haven't done a hydrogen video in a while. I just thought I would share this. This is my Don Smith kind of setup that I'm going to try and apply to this hydrogen setup. As you can see, there is a ton of hydrogen coming off that thing. A ton. It is filling the whole container. This is not a small container. That is a lot of hydrogen. So this is, the reason why I'm showing you this is because it's part of the Don Smith setup that I'm going to try and combine. So let me back up here. You can see the meter over there is showing about ½ an amp. So that's what's being consumed from the battery charger going into the PWM. The PWM is going into that resonant rod, which is adjustable. That resonant rod is going out and going into that meter. And that from that meter it goes directly into the hydrogen cell. So I would call this an amp multiplying system so far, because I haven't hooked up the high voltage side of it yet. So again, as far as the meters are concerned, we're consuming ½ an amp, but coming out of the rod into the cell, we're doing almost 4 times that as far as the amperage is concerned. So ½ an amp in, 1.9 out. Tons of hydrogen. So hopefully next I'm going to either add the high voltage, or I'm going to multiply this effect at its best resonance setting. So right now it's at ½ an amp, and you can see what it's doing at ½ an amp, but that's not its best setting. Its best setting might be around maybe 0.1 of an amp, and then it multiplies about 7 or 8 times. So I'm trying to at least multiply that effect, and then I'll add the high voltage, but that's where we're at right now. ½ an amp. Tons and tons of hydrogen. That's probably the most I've ever made at that setting. I haven't seen anything like this myself. So anyways, if you're interested in plans, you know where to go. Let me know what you think.